Simon's only napped an hour today, and he's a little on the crazy side because it's 7:30. Oops. Get up!
He's been doing this already for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy. What else is up? Are you swimming? Swimming? Oh my God, you're killing me. What do you hear? It's a bird. He can't even stand up straight. He's so tired. This old baby. Poor baby's tired. Wow. Oh, honey. You going inside? I don't want you to lock us out by accident, so we're going to come in with you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. You wave bye-bye? Yeah, you're having trouble. I'm not sure we need to watch that on video. Okay. Oh. Spin? Yeah, whatever. Bye-bye.